So a couple things have changed recently with Chappie. First things first, got some 17s all the way around. LED headlights. A nice rust-free front bumper. And some interior work. That used to be filled up with a bunch of parts. Now they're gone. U-shaped bench. And I actually got rid of these old seat belts because they're tethered. They don't retract. So when they're not in use, they clunk around and rattle. I ended up switching them up for these. Here's a receiver. Pretty cool logo. I actually got all that from the same ambulance I picked up this window right here, which you've probably seen in another video. So now that I found you, we're actually gonna get back to vlogging. Welcome back. Today, we're gonna work on this area right here. Well, that went together a lot quicker than I thought it would. Hear that little buzz? It's my heater kicking in because it is cold. I think it's roughly like 32 degrees outside right now. So, you're not even looking at me. So I cut a little oversized right now. So I'm gonna cut these to spec and then tighten this whole frame up. I'll see you in a second. Honestly not bad for a free sink. Now the dent honestly isn't super hateful. It's that right here. But I understand when you pay about $400 for a sink like this, you want it perfect. I ended up getting it for free because this was at the peak of COVID where everyone was supposed to stay inside and this person couldn't unload it. So they did a porch pickup and I scooped it up for free. So because of this dent right there, I'm actually going to install the countertop on top of this. This is a up top or above mount, but because of that little defect right there, just going to drop the countertop right on top and hide it. So we got that big guy installed. I actually thought it was going to be way too big for the space, but looks pretty good. I'm pretty pumped, and it cost me $0. Now we have this space right here. This is where the stove's gonna be right here. It's got some funny little channels that slide in, so I'm not really sure how to make all that work in this space, but we'll figure it out. We always do, right? Let's go. So it's been a few months. A bunch of things happened in the past couple of months, and I just kind of had Chappie on the back burner, unfortunately. I'm so rusty at this. This is pretty difficult. Let's do some of this. We'd like to couple of. I'm really rusty at this. I want to get this. God, I'm not even comfortable vlogging.